So if you had manual stabilizers on your RV like we used to, it was really annoying showing up to the campground and you either had to do it manually or you had the drill and the bit and were really loud. And if you showed up late at night, you were really worried about annoying everybody else. These Lippert 12-volt jacks or stabilizers, they're fantastic. Let me show you. So here's the Lippert stabilizer jacks themselves. As far as install, really fairly simple. You just take off your old ones and these should screw right into place. If you have to, you may have to drill into your frame, into the bottom parts of it, but it's not that hard either way. And then you have to wire it back into your 12-volt for the button to work. How easy are these? Well, mine are down. Hit retract, and they come up. That's simple. It's that quiet too. Back down. Everything's stabilized. So if I bought a camper with the old jacks on there, would I replace it with these? Yeah, absolutely. So much easier, so much nicer to travel with, and so much quieter when you show up late at night for the campground. That's all we got on the Lippert stabilizer jacks today. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching.